Hello friends, welcome to HBMS World. Today is 11th November uh, and as you all know, in this channel we are basically providing you educational content uh, related to Nifty 50 charts. So first of all, we are analyzing Nifty 50 charts, and this channel is purely for educational purpose. We are not providing any tips. So if you are going to trade, that is purely your own risk. So let's analyze today HDFC. Yesterday we analyzed SCL Tech. So we will again goes to those charts also. So as you all know, I am analyzing by going ahead with a monthly pattern. So basically we are providing trend lines, support resistance, and along with that if any chart pattern is coming into picture. So HDFC, as you all know, it is a older one, very older one. Around 1999 it got listed into the stock market. It is related to finance rental, and its today's price is 2908.85 paisa and having a downward of 36 rupees 75 paisa. So guys, let's find if any major support and resistance is there according to the monthly pattern. One major support, see, support and resistance always coming from a swings. So this is a second one. This one is a major support, 2509. So by watching monthly one, we are able to find these support and resistance. In a weekly one, let's see in a weekly one if any uh, see, this is also one of the major support, but this is very far away because this green candles, and you know basically charts always work with support and resistance only, and it like bounce back from support and resistance and break the zones and give a very high candles, and when going downwards give a low candles like selling candles. mm, any chart pattern, this is a trend line where it is working guys in a weekly one. We will see in the future also, and let's go to the daily one. Daily, so if you see in daily one, uh, no, this will not work. And one thing I am analyzing is, mm, so now you are able to see if I am saying this trend line. So this trend line. Let's see few days how it will work, and in a hourly pattern. See, in a daily pattern, any support and resistance is there. Yes, guys, this is one of the major support. It tries to break 2886. Once it break, uh, this is also one of the major support. Fine, and upper side the resistance is, see, this is a major resistance 2949. So 2949 is a major resistance, and 2886 is one of the major support. So let's see how it will work tomorrow. So I'm removing this one. So guys, let's see how it will perform tomorrow. We will again analyze this one, and let's go back to the previous charts which we have already analyzed. SCL Tech, as I already told you, it is following this line and still away from 1138. Grasim, see, Grasim tried to breaks but give a red candle. So let's see tomorrow. Very high chances if it breaks this 1874 zone, 1879, sorry. So sky is the limit right now for it. Aicha Motors still in the range 2789, 2653. A momentum will come when this break the range upper side or lower side. Dr. Reddy still touching this support, sorry, resistance. It is going downward. So guys, this is not right now working, but yes, this range 4741, chances are there that if the selling will come. So also the candle is big, so selling might happen tomorrow. Coal India Limited still in the same range, 171 to 163. Cipla, this is invalid, but this one is valid, but range is 928 to 882. Britannia, Britannia is also in the going under this particular triangle, this one, and once it breaks this resistance, chances are that it will go above. Otherwise, 3604 is the support zone and it is accumulating. So breakout will come, might be within 1 week or 1 month. Let's see if how it will accumulate. BPCL, same range guys, 436 till this is going, because they provided the dividend 5 rupees. So 5 rupees 95 paisa something got down. So when a share is providing a dividend, it automatically like gives some less in the chart. Same thing like here you can see 58 rupees dividend it provide. And Bharti Airtel, guys, Bharti Airtel is above the breakout, but try to touch this 751. Let's see. And Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finserv is also in the same range. So Bajaj Finserv, I am marking this one as a major support. So let's see how it will perform. Asian Paint, Adani Ports, same. So that's all from HBMS World. Do like my channel, do subscribe to my channel and let me know what content you require. I will post that content. Thank you.